Okay, we're looking at question 2 from the multiple choice. Remember, multiple choice take 1 to 3 minutes to complete. When a ball bounces, the heights of consecutive bounces form a geometric sequence. The height of the first bounce is 112 centimeters. The first bounce 112, so we know that's a sub 1 equals 121 centimeters. The height of the third bounce, so a sub 3, equals 64 centimeters. To the nearest centimeter, what is the height of the fifth bounce? So they want us to find a sub 5. Okay. So on the Regents exam, you have the reference table, so we know we're looking at a geometric sequence. So the formula we have is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1 term. So I'm going to plug in the information that I have. I know what the third term is. So I'm going to plug in the value for the third term, which would be 64, is equal to the first term, 121, times r, which is what I'm looking for, to the 3 minus 1, because this was the third term that we had 64. So I now have that 64 is equal to 121 times r squared. I can divide both sides by 121, and I would have 64 divided by 121 is equal to r squared. If I wanted to find the value of r, I could take the square root of 64 over 121. And that would make that r is 8/11. Okay, so now I found r. So I can use r back in the formula, and we can now find the fifth term. Okay, so to find the fifth term, a sub 5, I would take the first term, 121, and multiply it by 8/11 raised to a power of 5 minus 1, or 4. So we can put that into our calculator. 121 times, I'm going to put the fraction in, 8/11 raised to the 5 minus 1, which would be the fourth power, and we get 4096 over 121, which we can use the button that says F to D to change that to a decimal. So that gives us approximately 33.85. So 33.8 would tell us to round this up to 34. And if we go back to our answer choices, that's answer choice 2.